Hi guys, this is John Shaqi. ये वीडियो मोटिवेशन है for the women, for the ladies. I meet with the ladies. She is very motivated, hardworking. She's doing a lot of work, so she had a lot of experience with the different apps, different kind of a driving job. और इस वीडियो में सिर्फ पैसों की बात होगी कि कौन से काम में कितने पैसे कमाते हैं पर आवर क्या है. अगर मैं झूठ बोलूँगा तो ये तो झूठ नहीं बोलेंगी, ठीक है. तो वीडियो बेस्ड ऑन रियलिटी, कोई स्क्रिप्टेड वीडियो नहीं है, रियलिटी बेस्ड वीडियो है. तो इनसे बात करते हैं कि hi, how are you? Let me tell your name first.
My name is Kiana.
Kiana. So hi Kiana. So today I want to talk about first of all in a DoorDash how much per hour you're making and how was your DoorDash journey and how many hours you did how many months you did DoorDash?
I did DoorDash for about 3 months. I didn't stay with it long because in my area the DoorDash orders were not very profitable. I made maybe $100 if that, and that was if I was lucky on certain days. So I didn't find DoorDash to be very profitable, so I didn't last long.
Okay, that's cool. So my question is like in a day you make $100 with the DoorDash, but how many hours you did DoorDash?
I would do DoorDash all day to make that $100.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
very
that's
poor.
bad.
So that's very bad. अगर ये पूरा दिन काम करती हैं इनके पर्सनल ओपिनियन में तो ये एक दिन में सिर्फ DoorDash में जो है वो $100 ही कमाती हैं. अच्छा, ये डिपेंड भी करता है कि आपका एरिया कौन सा है. डाउनटाउन है तो ज़्यादा पैसे कमाएंगे, साइड एरिया है तो कम पैसे कमाएंगे. नेक्स्ट जो अमेज़ोन करते हैं तो इन्होंने अमेज़ोन में भी काम किया है. सो हाउ अबाउट अमेज़ोन फ्लक्स एंड हाउ मच यू आर मेकिंग इन अमेज़ोन फ्लक्स?
I love Amazon Flex. If for those of you who don't know, Amazon Flex is delivering for Amazon with your own personal vehicle. It told you exactly what you were making beforehand, before you even accepted the block, and it gave you a window between 1 and 5 hours that you would need to be working, but typically it would only last about half of that, depending on how efficient you were with delivering your packages.
So we talk about like money, how much money in a day,
average,
hours, everything.
A day I was making about $180 or higher. I am a real hustler, so I try to get in as many blocks as I can in a day.
And how many hours you spend on it?
I would say maybe about 10 in total, maybe less than that. It just depended on the day because it was different blocks.
ये अमेज़ोन फ्लक्स पे इन्होंने काम किया तो $180 जो है वो पर डे में कमाती थी. बट ये क्या, इनमें ये होता है कि ये लोग आवर्स काउंट नहीं करते हैं. 8 घंटे में अपनी शिफ्ट ख़त्म करें, 10 घंटे में शिफ्ट करें, बट इनके जो भी पैकेज होते हैं, जितने भी पैकेज, शी हैव टू डिलीवर ऑल द पैकेजेस. अब बात करेंगे लास्ट थिंग इंस्टाकार्ट की, फिर आएंगे ट्रकिंग पे अगली वीडियो में क्योंकि वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. शी इज़ वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट टू गिविंग रिप्लाई ऑफ माई ऑल क्वेश्चंस. सो नेक्स्ट वर्क यू डिड इंस्टाकार्ट, राइट?
Yes.
So tell me about the Instagram, how much money you are making and how was your experience as well?
So Instacart is basically going to the grocery store and buying all of people's groceries and then checking out and taking it to their houses. It wasn't super profitable. I would say I made maybe like 120 a day, and that
it's boring as well because they give you a big list and you spend your
the whole day in the supermarket getting this just for about $45. It just never was worth it. And you would accept the order and then find out that you had to grab 160 items from the grocery store before.
And you spend your she can spend like 4 to 5 hours to just go in a Walmart and finding the thing, or somewhere in a store and to find the thing, and just to get like $45 to pay to deliver one order, right? So,
yes,
yeah,
correct.
So in a day, what's your like average money? What we say?
I would say average it was anywhere from 75 to 120
in a day, right?
In a day.
So Instacart में ये होता है कि आपने जो है वो ऑर्डर लेने होते हैं और लोगों को घर में पूरा सामान देना होता है, उनकी मंथली या वीकली ग्रोसरी. यहाँ पे वैसे वीकली ग्रोसरी जो होती है तो उसमें जो है वो इनको अच्छे जो है वो पैसे मिलते थे, लाइक $80 से लेकर 120. तो अब आखिरी जो मेरा व्लॉग होगा वो होगा ट्रकिंग के हवाले से. ट्रकिंग में इन्होंने कितने पैसे कमाए, अब कितने कमा रही हैं और लाइफ कैसे चल रही है, ये पूछेंगे. फॉलो नहीं किया तो फॉलो कर लीजिए. ये वीडियोस लेडीज़ के लिए बहुत वैल्यूएबल और मोटिवेशनल होने वाली हैं.